Hello dear Arcada Club friends and welcome to the next video. This time, we'll be talking about AI again. I think in 2023, I'll only be reporting on AI topics. After all, everything that's currently happening on the internet has something to do with AI. You can see that there's really a lot of progress being made in this area. Today, I'm introducing you to a color generator for color palettes. It uses artificial intelligence to create beautiful and harmonious color combinations. These are perfect for creating beautiful designs and pages. Let's click on Launch. The link to the website is in the YouTube description or the text file for the course on our homepage. You can already see the first color variation here. You can click on the page to see the 4 colors that the system has selected. The system shows us how different products could look like if we designed them with these colors. Here is a product presentation from Sledge Shirts. The color values are shown here. I can click on Generate to get new color values with new corresponding suggestions for how the whole thing looks. I can also set whether I want the whole thing with 3 colors or only 2 colors. The layout will be adapted accordingly. You can see that the colors are always beautifully contrasting and fit together perfectly. You can select different things here, for example, generate a website. Here is a magazine website. We click on Generate until we find something we like. It's not that great, but here are always more beautiful colors. You can use this button to select the AI model with which you want to calculate the colors. There are several to choose from. You can simply click on it as long as you want until you find something you like. If you have a color that you don't want to change, you can click on the color and say Lock. It will not be changed the next time you click on Generate. Why don't we leave that and stay with this color design? How do we get to the colors? How can we adopt them? For example, we can create a beautiful background in Pages with this purple color by clicking on it and copying the code. The copy code is here. This is the code. It is written in hexadecimal, which is the closest representation of 0 and 1 in computers. The hexadecimal representation always starts with a strange double cross and then a combination of letters and numbers. This is basically our color value. We copy it. Now, I go to Pages. Here I am. I simply draw a form, a simple square, and then click on Format. I can set the color on this color wheel. The color selection comes from the system. You may know it. If you click on this switch, there is a special feature in this dialog, namely the hexadecimal color below. You can see that it also starts with a double cross. I can actually enter this strange code. I press Command V because it was in my clipboard. It is B6B7FF. I have to remove the double cross at the front because it is already there as a default. Apple only wants the pure code. We press Enter and you can see that the color is taken over. I can take it now and put it over here in this grid. I can also pull it up a bit. Here you can also pull it up. The whole thing then has color boxes where you can save the color. Now, we go back to the website and want to make a button with this orange color. We need this color value. We copy the code. We go to the form and make a button. The dialog stays open. In Pages, we can directly copy the color value here, remove the double cross, press Enter, and then we have actually taken over the color value as it was suggested on this web designed by the AI. We can now piece together our fonts with the corresponding text color and so on and so forth and get a beautiful harmonious layout. Here are a few layout suggestions. You can work really well with it. So a free website. Of course, you can say, okay, I can actually choose the colors myself, but the AI has its own mathematical understanding of how it all works. And if you want to know how it all works, which is not that easy, then here is the About page. It explains how the computer calculates with these color values and what it then generates from them. So a very exciting website that I think ensures appealing layouts. I think that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please write them in the comments. Until next time, bye.